Hey guys, sorry if you listen to my voice being a bit irritated. It's like the 1000th time that I try to record this video, but it is what it is. Before starting, I just wanted to say thank you all because we have 2 videos that have passed the 1K mark of views. I was surprised, I was amazed. Thank you so much, guys. And I'd appreciate a like, comment, and subscribe, anything that would help. And yeah, sorry for disappearing for practically 5 months. I've been in a little trip to Mexico. But I've been back for a while, and now I am ready to finish this little video series. So let's just get into it, before any more interruptions pop up. We're gonna do Fetch and Racing Carol today. So I really recommend for you to go do them first. For the challenges at least, you're not gonna get much out of them if you don't at least try them first. So you don't have to finish them, not at all. Just try to do to the best extent of your ability, and then you can come back and then you can go over the results, or maybe you just want to compare what path we each took, Because that's the thing about coding, okay? There's no predetermined way to go. You can always just think outside the box, So, anyways, pause the video right now. Go do these 2 challenges that we're going to do today. And I'll see you back in a couple of seconds. Okay, so let's just start with the first one. The first thing that I like to do is pay attention to things that you can avoid repetition with, okay? Because that's why we have loops. That's why we have while and for loops, okay? So, for example, here, I noticed that when I go up and when I go down, I have to move a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 times, okay? So, instead of individually moving 4 times, I'm just going to write a function. I don't know, I'm going to call it dash. And then I'm going to simply write move 4 times. Of course, you can change the move 4 times for, I don't know, a for loop, which, let's just do it to make it fancy, For var I equals 0, I less than 1, 2, 3, 4, for I plus plus, oops. Great, and then we're just gonna do move. Now, before dashing upwards or downwards, Carol has to turn left first. Okay, so when she turns left, then we're gonna have her dash, which is our new function that we just made. And she's gonna move 1, 2, 3, 4. Then she needs to turn right. Oops. And then she needs to move twice. So let's just do those normally. Okay, move. And then when she moves twice, she needs to take the ball. I forgot the conditions, so just no, not the commands. Cut me some slack, guys. It's been like 5 months. So yeah, it's take ball. Oops, I wrote that wrong. Take ball. And then after she takes ball, she can turn around. And then she can move twice again. And then she should be here, so she's gonna turn right once again. And then she's gonna dash. And then when she's down here, she can turn left and put ball. Now, if we run this code, there you go. The dash is the 4 moves upwards. Ooh. Wait, that's interesting. Hold on. Wait. Okay, it should have been a turn left. That's slight miscalculation on my part. Yeah, it's been a while, guys. It's been a while. There you go. Now, to avoid a bit more repetition, you can just do our good old double step function that we did a lot, and then call move twice here, and then you can replace these with double step, and then this one too. Ooh, that's not good. There you go. And with that, this challenge should be done. Now, I'm gonna give you another 3 seconds or so. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is, I mean, this makes Karel dash. This makes Karel move twice. Okay, there you go. Now, I'm gonna give you 3 more minutes to, sorry, not minutes, 3 more seconds to go ahead and do racing Karel, okay? I already have a solution for this. It's up here in my Google Docs that I did, because I tried to code it before so I wouldn't take too long. Like I said, go ahead, try it, and I'll see you in a second. So, as you can see, the assignment says that, you know, you're using Super Karel, so you can use turn right and turn around without, like, making them into a function yourself. And the thing with this challenge is that it has 3 separate worlds. So the code that you make, it's most likely not going to use for loops. I mean, it will in my case, but yeah, you're not as likely to use for loops or why not, because the amount of spaces that Karel has to move changes. So this is where our little conditions come in. But let's go to the first world, and that's another thing. The assignment says that every time Karel hits a corner, you should put a ball down, so at the end there are 8 balls on each corner, okay? Now, here's the wonderful thing about coding. You can ignore the entire task as long as you get the end product, okay? So, what I did when I tried this the first time is that I didn't make Karel go around 8 individual times. You know, which maybe was easier to write down. I don't know. What I did, on the other hand, and what you did might be different. Just remember, the important thing is that across the 3 worlds, there are 8 balls in each corner, and Karel is in the bottom left looking east, okay? So, the first thing that I did was make a function down here. Put balls with an S at the end, because it's plural. And then I did a for var I equals 0, I less than 8, and you can already see where this is going. I plus plus, and we just make her put ball. Okay, there goes our put balls function. Then the next function that I did was, I call it wall bang for some reason, but it's pretty much just making Karel check if the front is clear, then she's gonna move. Okay, so having these 2 functions, the put balls and the wall bang, I can make Karel, first of all, I kind of forgot what I did here. The premise is the same though. So basically, I'm gonna make Karel first. Let's make her put the balls first. Then she's gonna wall bang. And then she's gonna turn left. Now, these little 3 lines of code, we can repeat them 4 times, because that's the thing. All 3 worlds are squares, so all 3 worlds have 4 sides. So I'm gonna do a for loop here. For var a equals 0, a less than 4, a plus plus, and then we're gonna grab this. Indentation errors. Okay, so now let's test it out, because I think that I'm missing something. Oh wow. Typos. Okay, there we go. So she puts the 8 balls down there. Ooh, yeah, I see what's the problem here. Now, let me do that in slow motion. So you're just gonna put the balls. Right. Wait, that's the thing though. Hold on. What does she do here? Oh, okay. It shouldn't be an if statement. That is entirely my bad. It's a while statement. Let's reset that and let's run it again. Yeah, that should, yeah, there you go. Yeah, it was not an if statement. So this looks good. It's gonna do it one last time. There you go. Now I'm just gonna enlarge in this, cause for you to see if you know what I wrote. And if we try this across the worlds, it should work in all of them. 8, 8, 8, and then gets back and turns left, and then for the last one, 8, 8, 8, and you're good to go. Okay, now it's probably gonna ask me to put comments or something. Oh wait, no, it has the comment at the starting. Yeah, that's the thing. It wanted you to make Karel run around the racetrack 8 times, but you can easily do that even with in a for loop. But in my approach, it's like, you know, just put the balls on your first run. There's no need for you to go around 8 times. You can just, yeah. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. That voice crack. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for so many views that I did not expect at all. And see you in the next time, guys. Bye bye.